Dali lang. Okay, so balik ta diri sa to example number 1 no na diri find the rule or end term of the sequence 5, 8, 11, and 14. Natay pattern nga 3 which is added sa previous nato na mga term to get to the next term. So in tabular form, we can search for the pattern. So butang nimo diri ang mga term, first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. Pasabot mo niyang yang placing, no? Ang first term mo nang pinakauna nga term ngay mo nakitaan. Second term mo nang ikaduha, of course. And so on. No, ang given nato, ang imo first term is 5. Tama? Ang imo pinakauna si 5. Second term is 8. Third term is 11 and fourth term is 14. Now, unsa ang pattern nga ato na observe? So, si 5 sa first term, 5. So, si 5, dili ni siya 7 ha. Again, this is 3. Kay, di ba 3 man ang atong giad? So, nasaya ra dyan. So, that's 3. Si 5, plusan nimo og 3 because that's the pattern. Pero, kanang wala kay 3 nga giad diri. Next, si first term which is 5, plusan nimog 3 para mahimo siyang 8. And then si 5, plusan nimog 2 ka 3 in order to get 11. And another 5, plusan nimog 3 ka 3 in order to get 14. So, ibutang nimo ang tanan nga first term, pila giad nimo sa 5 para mahimo siyang sunod nga term. In other words, the pattern is konka og 5 plus 3. Tapos, 0 na siya. Tungod kay wala man kay gi-add na 3 sa first term. Sa ikaduha nga term kay 5 plus 3 times 1. Tungod kay na kay isa ka 3 nga gi-add. Sa ikatulo nga term, 5 plus 3 times 2. Tungod kay na kay 2 ka 3 nga gi-add. And 5 plus 3 times 3. Tungod kay na kay 3 ka 3 nga gi-add. So, in the pattern, the number of times 3 is added to the first term is 1 less than the next term. So, pasabot, no? Guys, ang term nimo na 1, minusan nimo 1, mo nang 0 ang imo ikuan, no? Na-observe ninyo ang pattern. Si term nimo nga 2, no, minus 1, no, mo nang 1 ang imong kuan, kanang i-add nga 3. So, 3 minus 1, that's 2. 4 minus 1, that's 3. Di ba? We have n minus 1 na pattern. So, equating a sub n and 5 plus 3 times n minus 1 and simplifying it. So, natay a sub 1, this is the nth term or the rule, equals si 5 plus si 3 nimo, which is your first term, times n minus 1. Pasabot, si n is the number of terms. So, kung ang imong gipangita dahil kay ikalima nga term, so minusan na nimo siya og 1. So, wala siya na substitute 5 plus 3 times n, that's 3n. 3 minus 1, that's minus negative 3. 3 times negative 1, that's negative 3. So, 5 minus 3, that's 2. So, your nth term is a sub n equals 3n plus 2. No, kung imo na siyang i-check, kung si n alis na nimo og 1, then mahimo siya og 3 times 1 plus 2, the answer is 5. If your n is 2, so that's 3 times 2, 6 plus 2, that's 8. So, gamito na lang dayon nimo siya na term. Next, for the second example, we have find the rule or nth term of the sequence 10, 7, 4, and 1. Unsa imong gi-plus sa 10 to get 7? Alabi, yung sa imong gi-plus sa 10 para makakuha kag 7. Fuentes, unsa may imong i-plus sa 10 to get 7. Umaya to i-plus sa 10 para mahimong 7. It should be 10 plus negative 3. Tama? Okay. When you add different sign, then you will have to subtract them. So, 10 plus negative 3, that's 7. So, mo na ang atong i-add is negative 3. No? So, again, you write all the terms, first term, second, third, and fourth. The given, ang imo first term is 10, second is 7, third is 4, and fourth is 1. So, si 10, wala kay gi-add diha na negative 3. No? So, 10 plus negative 3 times 0 because you did not add negative 3. Sa second term, 10 plus negative 3. So, nakay 10 plus negative 3, and you only have 1 ka negative 3. Okay, 10 plus negative 3, that's 7. Si 10 plus negative 3, that's 7. Plus negative 3, that is 4. So, nag-add kag duha ka negative 3. 10 plus tulog ka negative 3 in order to get 1. So, 10 plus negative 3 times tulog ka negative 3 imong gi-add sa 10 in order to get 1. So, unsay pattern hato diri? That is 10 plus negative 3 times n minus 1. So, nakay 10, ang first term nimo plus ang imong gi-add, no, negative 3 times n minus 1. No, kay ang atong n, that's the number of terms. So, sa fourth term, no, pasabot kay si fourth term minusan nimo og 1 mo nang 3. Nakay tulo ka negative 3 ang imong i-add. So, nakay 10 plus negative 3 times n minus 1. Naragin na per min ang n minus 1 ha. So, kung ano nimang first term, ang imong gi-add, and then ang n minus 1. I-times mo sa n minus 1. So, nakay 10 plus negative 3 times n, that's negative 3n, negative 3 times negative 1, that's positive 3. So, 10 plus 3, that's 13, and we have negative 3n. So, the rule of, or n term is a sub n equals negative 3n plus 13. Next. For the last example, before kamo ang maghimo na pod. So, for example, number 3, find the rule or end term of the sequence 2, 4, 8, and 16. The solution in this example, notice that ang imong kuan kay nag-multiply kag 2 sa previous term to get the next term. So, nakay 2 times 4. 2 equals 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. So, possible na ang sunod nga term sa 16 is 32. Kaya kung 16 times 2, 32 man. Yung kung ano po nato ang pattern. In tabular form, we can search for the pattern. So, natay first term, second, third, and fourth term. So, the given is, wala nga nung 3, 6, 12 man eh. Lahi-lagi ang iyang kuan, example. Sige, dili na lang ni nga pattern na to i-follow ha. 3, 6 na lang. No, 3 times 2, 6 times 2, 12 times 2, 24. Kini na lang na pattern. Pasabot, first term na to 3, second term 6, third term is 12, fourth term is 24. So, unsa man na nga to first term? That's 3. So, you put 3 there. So, unsa may ato gi-multiply sa 3 para may mong 6? That's 2. So, unsa na po i-multiply nato sa 6 para may mong 12? So, duha na ka 2. 3 times 2, 6 times 2, 12. Unsa na pa ito i-multiply para may mong 24? So, that's 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Tulo na ka 2. So, kung imo ko ng pattern, that is 3. Tapos, sa second term, kay 3 times 2 to the power of 1. Kay kaisara ka nag-multiply og 2. Then, 3 times 2 to the power of 2 because you have 2, duha ka 2 here. And 3 times 2 to the power of 3, tungod kay na kay tulo ka 2. After ana, imo dayon na siyang kuanon. No, n minus 1 ra gyapon na siya. So natay A7 equals 3 the first term, and then ang imong gi-multiply which is 2, tapos to the power of n minus 1. No, so n minus 1 siya. So unsa ang naa? We have okay, n minus 1. So, mao ni ang tama nga term. No, dili nyo pwede times si 3 times 2. Tungod kay si 3, kay wala man siya exponent. Si 2 na siya exponent. And they don't have, they are not like terms. They are. For the last example, tama pang 95 example. Sige. Example number 4. Find the rule or end term of the sequence 64, 16, 4, and 1. Unsay mo gi-multiply sa 64 para mahimo siyang 16 is 1 over 4. Pwede pod, unsay 16 divided by 64, that is 1 over 4. So si 1 over 4, gi-multiply nimo siya sa 64 in order to get 16. And 16 times 1 over 4 is equals to 4, and 4 times 1 over 4 is 1. So, first term, second term, third, fourth, given is 64, 16, 4, and 1. So, 64, this is our first term. Second term is 64 times 1 over 4. Third term is 64 times duha ka 1 over 4. And the fourth term is tulo ka 1 over 4. So, natay 64 sa second term is 64 times 1 over 4 to the power of 1, tas to the power of 2, and to the power of 3 dayon sa last. So, unsay ato enter. So, in the pattern, the number of times 1 over 4 is multiplied to the first term is 1 less than the next term, or n minus 1. So, natay 64, which is the first term, times 1 over 4 to the power of n minus 1. So, mao na dayon niya nga itong nth term or rule. Rule or nth term. Next. This will be our last example. So, natay, write the first 4 terms of the sequence a7 equals 2n plus 1. So, unsaon man na siya? Unsa man ang first 4 terms? So, nakay first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. So, in order to get the first term, kay imong substitutan si n ng 1. So, if your n is equals to 1, then you have 2 times 1 plus 1. Di ba? 2n plus 1 man na. So, si n, alistan mo ng 1. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, that's 3. If your n is equals to 2, so you have 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, that is 5. If your n equals to 3, then you have 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. And if your n equals 4, then you have 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So, nadaytay, first term nimo is 3, second term is 5, fourth term is 7, third term is 7, and fourth term is 9. No? So, mao na ang atong example for the day. Question.